Hello everyone, welcome to Code to CloudX. So first let's create a Hello World Spring Boot applications and integrate it with an AI model. Basically the same kind of model that powers ChatGPT. To get started, I have opened start.spring.io and we have been using this website for years to generate Spring Boot projects and it's still the fastest way to start. So now here I will fill the project details. So here I am using language Java, build tool will be Maven, and Spring Boot version will be same what is selected. So I give the group name com dot code to cloud x. Artifact ID simply OpenAI, sorry, OpenAI. Demo code, that's one. Packaging will be jar and Java version here we are using 21. Now next comes the most important part, that is dependencies. So first I am selecting the Spring Web because this application will expose REST API. Second, I will add Spring Boot DevTools. So this is only for local development. And now the main dependency is Spring AI. So Spring AI provides a clean and consistent way to integrate AI models inside the Spring Boot applications. Now Spring AI supports multiple vendors, not just OpenAI. For example, if you want to Azure, OpenAI, Google Cloud, and other providers. But in this series, I am choosing OpenAI. Okay, because OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT, and it's one of the most commonly used models today. So once all dependencies are selected, I will generate this downloads a ready to run Maven project. Now I will extract it and place it in my workspace folder. So since the project was downloaded as a zip file, I will first extract it. After extraction, the zip file will no longer required, so we can delete this. Now I open this project in IntelliJ IDEA. So, or you can use IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition or any ID in which you are comfortable. So just I open my project. It's OpenAI. Okay, this window. And if we open the pom.xml, we can see all the dependencies are properly added, right? Now let's create our REST API. So inside the base package, we will create a new package called controller, and inside that I create a class named ChatController. New class ChatController, ChatController, right? And I will annotate it. I will annotate it with @REST controller and @request mapping. Request mapping. Okay, and now I will create a method, public string chat message, and we'll annotate it with @get map. slash chat, and this message will accept a parameter. So we will use a notation request parameter. Request parameter called message. String message. So initially I will simply return the same message. Same message. Right? So if someone calls API slash chat colon message equal to hello. So we will return the same message. We will return, sorry, we will return the same message. Hello. So now, so this is the basic structure. What we have did from long. But now instead of returning same message, what we want that take the user's prompt from the request param and send it to OpenAI and get the AI response and then return that response to the user. So Spring AI provides a interface called chat client. So private final chat client. Okay. So actually what happens when in pom.xml, when we add Spring AI starter model OpenAI dependency. So during application startup, when you start your application, Spring Boot automatically creates a bean of type chat model, chat model, chat model dot java. And if you will see the implementation class of this, it's a OpenAI chat model. So this chat model knows how to communicate with OpenAI. Then Spring Boot also creates then Spring Boot also a bean of type chat client dot builder, and we inject this builder into our controller through constructor dependency injections. So if you will see chat client, if we will open this chat client and open the implementation of this class, so implementation of this class is default chat client. So internally it creates an instance of default chat client. And if we will show that chat client dot builder dot build method, so default implementation of chat client as created by the chat client dot builder dot build. So what we do, we just copy this one and here here we pass it. So private chat controller dot builder, and I write it chat client builder. Okay. So when we call the, so using the build method, we have seen here that if you will see here that here is build method. So through this build method we will get the object of chat client. So here if we will call build method, so through this build method we will get the object of chat client. So the flow is, so what is the flow actually? If you will see the flow, firstly what happens, Spring Spring Boot starts, then what happens, we creates OpenAI chat model, OpenAI chat model bean. Then what happens, creates chat client, chat chat client dot builder bin. And what happens then? We inject the builder, and after that we call build method, and we get, and after that what we get? We get chat client object, chat client, CLIN, chat client. And we use this chat client, use it to communicate with LLM model. Okay, so we understood these things. So now this, so inside our API method we will call the LLM. So to calling the LLM is extremely simple. So how we can use this? So for that, what we have to do here, inside this method API, we will call chat client, chat client dot prompt message. Okay, so this prompt message will set the user input. So what input we got from our endpoint request parent, and then we will call the call method. And what this call method will do, this will send the request to the LLM model, and then we have content method, and this content method will extract the response. Okay, and rather than returning this message, we will return this one, control V, and we can delete this one. And also, okay, now you can do this one, control D. Okay, so the flow becomes user request, user will call the REST API, REST API will call the OpenAI. Okay, REST API will call the OpenAI, and OpenAI response will back to the user. So, and whatever response we receive from OpenAI, we return it directly from our REST endpoint. So that's how simple is it to integrate an LLM using Spring AI. So in our next step, we will configure the OpenAI API key inside the application, and we will configure and run the application to test this endpoint end to end. Now firstly we build the applications, then we will start our applications. So here we will maven clean install. So now, oh, so here I can see it's getting failed. So let's see why it's getting failed. Okay, so here you can see, okay, as we discussed earlier that when you add this dependency, is Spring AI starter dependency, when you add, so what happens? Spring Boot auto configuration tries to create a bean of type chat client builder, this builder, and OpenAI chat model. Okay, so and if you look at the stack trace, the root cause is it's a error creating bean with name OpenAI chat model and chat client builder. So this happens because OpenAI models are not free to call. Why it's happening? Because OpenAI models are not free to call. To access the LLM API, we must create an OpenAI account. Then we have to generate an API key from the OpenAI platform. And that API key we have to use in our Spring Boot applications. So Spring AI uses this API key to authenticate the request so it can communicate with OpenAI models. So the fix is simple. What we have to do, we need to configure the OpenAI API key in our applications setting. So firstly, what we have to do, we have to come in platform.openai.com. So what is OpenAI? So OpenAI is a organization, or I think you have already used ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI, and OpenAI is a organizations, and OpenAI creates multiple different type of models, including ChatGPT. So what you have to do here, in here you have to create a new secret key. As you can see, I have already created. If you will click here, so you have to give the name of your applications, then you can create the secret key, right? And that key, SK means secret key, and that key you have to configure in your Spring Boot applications. But it's not free. What you have to do, you have to recharge, or you have to load some money. It means you have to credit some money, then only you can access. The minimum $5 you have to recharge your OpenAI chat model with minimum $5. Then if you will see the pricings, so here you can check. We have different type of models. If you have used ChatGPT, so you can have option to select the models. So here also you can select the models, and just like if you are only using for testing purpose, so you can use simple models you can choose, or either this one you also you can use. Okay, so it's up to you which one you are using. Billing section, and where you can recharge your model OpenAI. You have to load some money. Then firstly, what I do, I have to, in application.properties file, I have to pass this API key, Open API key. So as only I am using, so I have to configure this API key in our environmental variables, edit configuration, environmental variables, and here, so you can copy this API key and pass it here and apply, then okay, that's fine. So now what I'll do, again I build my code firstly. So now my build has been successful. Now we start our applications. So our server has started. So now we can test our API. So API slash chat column message equal to, I can give Holi in India. Okay. So I got the information. So Holi, known as Festival of Colors, is one of the most vibrant and widely something like, and about Holi. So he given lots of informations about Holi. If you will change Spring Boot AI, this is the beauty of this AI, and where we can use in our Spring Boot applications. You can see that whatever prompt we are passing to our API through the Spring Boot applications, we are response receiving the response generated by the AI models. So the flow is very simple. The user sends a prompt to user API. Our Spring Boot applications forward that prompt to the OpenAI LLM model, right? And whatever response to the model generates, the same response is returned back to the user. And this is the beauty of AI integration with Spring Boot. So with just a few lines of code and the help of Spring AI, we can easily connect our applications with powerful AI models like OpenAI. So this opens up a lot of possibilities. And what is the possibilities? Actually, we have we can building intelligent chat applications. We can create AI powered assistant, and also we can generate automated response and integrating smart features into our enterprise applications. So in the upcoming lessons, we will explore more advanced feature of Spring AI and see how we can build even more powerful AI driven applications using Spring Boot. So thank you all and see you in next video.